grain dishes 51, 2 to 4 tablespoons olive oil 1 Asian eggplant or 1 small regular eggplant, 1 teaspoon guajillo chili, cut up chopped, optional, 2 cloves garlic 1 medium onion, chopped, 3 cooked white or brown rice 1 stalk celery, chopped 1/2 teaspoon oregano 1 tablespoon lime or lemon juice 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin scallions or parsley or cilantro to garnish salt to taste sauté the chili skins in the oil as it heats. Add garlic and sauté another minute, then add the onion, celery and spices and sauté until onion is transparent. Add eggplant and sauté until eggplant is desired level of doneness. When the vegetables are thoroughly done, stir in the cooked rice and heat up. Just before serving, add the lime juice and stir, then stir in the garnish. Variations: sauté bell peppers or Anaheim peppers with the vegetables. Add a small can of diced tomatoes for a wetter dish. Rice with pinto beans and vegetables spice pattern. Oriental: I like to use the long, thin purple eggplant in this dish since they don't need peeling. If you use the large eggplant, try it with and without the skins and see which you prefer. The dish also works well without the eggplant. 3 tablespoons peanut and canola oil 1 small can diced tomatoes 2 teaspoons chopped ginger 2 cloves garlic 2 cups cooked pinto beans, drained 1 med onion chopped or 1 king pinto beans, rinsed and drained 1 bell pepper or Anaheim chili, chopped 3 cooked rice 1 small eggplant, chopped, optional, 1 stalk celery chopped 1 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce or to taste 1/4 teaspoon turmeric 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar or to taste 1/2-1 teaspoon dried basil. Sauté the ginger and garlic in the oil. Add onion and sauté until transparent. Add bell peppers and eggplant and sauté until peppers start to get soft. Add tomatoes and heat, then add the pintos and heat. Add rice and heat. When hot all the way through, add the soy sauce and red wine vinegar and heat another 2 to 3 minutes. Serve. Variation: omit soy sauce and vinegar, and add either savory or Mediterranean spices with lemon juice. Variation: other vegetables like zucchini or grated carrot work well also.